It's not uncommon to create an object and then discover later that the object was created on the wrong layer, or with the wrong color, or the wrong line type, or with the wrong line weight, or the wrong transparency. So the question then is, what is the method you should use to fix these objects? Well, first, let's come over and show you how you would check the objects. The easiest way to do this is to simply move your cursor over the object. A little panel will appear showing you the current color, layer, and line type of the object. If I move my cursor over this object, and although this polyline actually represents a chair, I can see that it's actually drawn on layer 0. And so is the table. So one of the ways to fix this is to simply click to select the object. When you select the object highlights. When the object highlights, it will also tell you up here in the Layers panel of the Home ribbon the current layer of the object. If you want to change the layer of the object, simply click on the drop-down and then select the layer that you want the object to go on. I actually want it on the furniture layer, so I pick that layer. That object is now on the furniture layer. If you want to change other properties of the object, such as the color, line type, line weight, or transparency, you would come over here to the Properties panel on the Home ribbon. I can then expand the color drop-down and choose a different color. Notice that as I move the cursor over a color, I can see a preview of what the objects will look like using that color. I'll choose red. I could also choose a different line weight, line type, or transparency value, and again, as I move the cursor over a different line type, I can see a preview of what the object would look like. Once I'm done editing that object, I press the Escape key to deselect the object, and the object has been changed. Notice that once I've done that, if you look back at the layer controls, you can see that the current layer is still set to layer 0. The current layer never changed. The current layer is still layer 0. Similarly, over in the Properties panel, the current color, line type, line weight, and current transparency are all still set to by layer. That hasn't changed either. But when I move the cursor over an object to see its current properties, I can see its current color, layer, and line type. And if I select the object, in the Layers panel, I can see what layer it's drawn on, and in the Properties panel, I can see its current color, line type, line weight, and transparency. And I can use those controls to change any of those values as well.